All right, welcome to Self-Learning Tennis. This is Hamid, and we'll talk about the recommendation for this different types of swings and techniques to do that. All right, so first, for any swing, we have to decide what's the height where the ball contact should occur. So I'm recommending for the pre-beginner and beginner level folks to focus on the two recommended locations where they would need to emphasize their practice on. First one will be close to their knee somewhere. So somewhere in here you have to wait until when the approaching ball is coming up, either from a ball machine or from your body, and then align your racket face, and then with the very different styles of the forehand or the top spin which you are practicing, that's where you would try to achieve the ball contact at your knee height. And the other one, when you have a good command on that shot, the second step is a little bit more like an intermediate level, would be at your somewhere close to or a little lower than your waist. Like this is my height, like waist height, so I'm just using as a typical this height where I'll be trying to hit my forehand. And the same thing applies to the backhand too. So this is like in this clip, I'm emphasizing more on the height of where the swing is to achieve the ball contact. So and now so that is covered, and now the different types of swings. That will be when the ball, of course, on the varying for the varied heights, you could achieve the forehand flat type of effect, or the top spin, or even the slice, like the three. Remember the three ground strokes kind, the top spin, the flat, and the slice, which we talked about in our earlier drills. So either the forehand or the backhand side, these are the standard ones. And the other one, which is not visible here, is suppose the approaching ball is at your shoulder height. How would you achieve that? That is a limitation in the flat type of shot and the slice. It's kind of a little clumsy way where you could hit that. So my recommendation is to avoid that situation. However, if it is unavoidable, then you resort to have a very strong top spin forehand to your in your suit. You would be doing it with the trajectory or doing like that. Like basically, you could achieve the top spin at above at your shoulder height. So that's the power of the top spin. So these are the three different scenarios where the ball can be hit at the desired, like around the knee, or towards the waist, or above or at the shoulder. Whereas in the fourth category, which is like a risky, tending to a more challenging scenario where it is lower than the knee height, that will lead to a scenario where we talk about it's a low swing one. It's kind of risky because your racket might get hurt. Try to avoid that situation as well. Thank you very much.